Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix Steam games not launching. So the thing you need to do first is go to your library, and once in your library you need to go to the game that is not opening. For instance, for me it's eFootball. Then right click. Once you've right clicked, you will see an option that says Properties. Click on Properties. Then once on Properties, on the left side you'll see different options. You'll select Installed Files. And under installed files, you'll see an option that says verify integrity of game files. Click on that. So Steam will verify if the installation is good and if there are any corrupted files. It might take a while, so wait for it. Once it has completed validating, then you can try to open up your game. If this doesn't work, another option you have is select this browse button. After that, you need to find the game running application on the folder. So for me, I think it's in binaries. And here is the application. So what you need to do next is right click, then select show more options, then select properties. Once in properties, go to compatibility. Once in the compatibility page, make sure that the program is allowed to run as an administrator. Then click apply. Then click OK. Additionally, make sure that Windows is updated as well as your NVIDIA graphics cards are updated as well. And if you do this, the game should run. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.